we'll come here one by one. We'll be asked 3 questions each. We'll treat it like a press conference, okay? We'll be asked 3 questions each regarding that subject matter, education system of India. And we need to address the answers to these questions. Okay?
First of all, government doesn't hold a full authority that they will provide employment to every child. And that's why we have these competitive exams. That's why we have these entrance exams that held on the basis of merit. Okay. The second point is there are so many graduates who really enroll themselves through online and open education.
As I've mentioned, education is all about skills, values, morals, attitudes, and the ambition we hold. It's basically about the skills we have. And it doesn't only come up with the schools and the colleges. One cannot go to school, cannot go to college, still be educated by the mindset through the skills and the morale he has, right? Even the rural people, they are not graduated, they are not post-graduated, they are not PhD holders, but yet they are more graduated than any urban area man. So education is basically the skill, not the degree you hold.
So these things will not change overnight. It will take time because all these things require huge spendings, which I said previously that currently we are spending around 2 to 3% and our target is around 6%. So these will happen slowly and gradually, but yes, we know we have to make our future better, and to make our future better, we have to focus on our present education system.
We have so much focused on our tertiary education, means at the universities levels, and we have spent so much funds. The pace at which we have means since 2010 till 2026, there were almost 50% increase in the aims like hospitals and the universities. So that is one of our strengths.
If the teacher is good and they explain very well, then the student will hold that for years. But we are taught like that learn for some time only, and then you can delete it from your mind after you give your exam, after you pass out that class.
Today I am here to represent India, and I am open to answer all your questions about India's education system. There are many features of India's education system. First of all, India is a very vast country and it is not easy to provide education to each and every child. But I think government still doing work for it, and like most of the villages have 2-3 government schools in there. Although the thing is different that children don't go there, but it's their lack of awareness about the knowledge.